Nervous about selling your home in Williamson County because there's limited inventory available and you're afraid you won't be able to find a replacement property?
That's quite a mouthful.
Guess what? You're not alone, and I hear it almost daily from homeowners. I'm here today to tell you there are solutions to this problem, and I work with some of the best people in the industry. I don't claim to know all the answers, but I will work diligently to get you an answer because overcoming obstacles is what I do.
Sounds nice.
Hi, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty. I have accumulated many solutions and strategies in finding a replacement home, even with the limited inventory that we can discuss when we meet. One solution is to look at new construction. There are several communities locally and I have built relationships with them over time. It's super important to work with an agent when purchasing new construction so that you have protection. But that's entirely a different video series. Many builders with new construction have homes that have fallen out of escrow and they want to sell those homes quickly because of the carrying costs. Another safety net, if you're worried about finding a replacement home, is that there are several phases of construction and you could find a home now that you wouldn't have to move into until a later date. You could put a deposit on a new home and we could work with the buyer and negotiate terms that keep you safe so you wouldn't have to worry about having somewhere to go. There are many solutions I have for getting you the home of your dreams, even with limited inventory. So give me a call, and don't worry, there is never any pressure or obligation in meeting with me. I'm just here to help you navigate the best strategy when selling.
Sounds like a plan.
What?
If you want to see more videos right now on some of the solutions to selling with limited inventory and how I can help navigate you through the fear of not being able to find a replacement home, just click the link below. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and as always, my name is Omar Pineda, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.